Hey, what's up? This is my Site Words Worksheets Generator review. Again, my Site Words Worksheets Generator review. Before I begin this comprehensive review, make sure you check out the link below to get my masterclass bonuses. You get my done for you masterclass video where I show you everything that I do step by step, from niches to creating a book cover. I have templates for your book cover. I have templates for your what I call essential pages. Let's move on to part 2 here. Done for you side word keywords. I will review your book. That's right. I will review your book, your actual site words book once it's live. Done for you site words worksheet, title, copyright page, and table of contents. I've created that for you. And I'm going to show you how to edit it quickly and easily so that you can use it in your interior. I'll give you a step-by-step checklist plus video. Okay. I'm going to give you multiple done for you book covers that you can edit and stylize to whatever type of site words book or workbook you're creating. You also get my golden audience table of contents and book structure already formatted. All you got to do is download it and add it to your interior, which I show you how to do as well. Everything's very simple and it's free. You also get, this is the best part, my AI prompt site word training. Okay. I'm going to show you how to leverage the AI to do all the work for you. I'm going to show you this right now, actually. So here I am. Here I am inside of, this is a mouthful, Site Words Worksheets Generator. Okay. And all you got to do is select a template. Okay. I recommend you create this in batches, right? As you know, the site words market is huge. There's all types of different keywords you can go after, like modifiers, kindergartner, site words workbook, verb and noun, site words workbook, third grader to fourth grader, site words workbook, tracing and spelling, site words workbook, activity book, even. Like look at all these home runs. There's so many independent publishers with so many positive reviews on Amazon KDP, making all kinds of cash, royalties, passively, of course, which is really cool stuff. This is very blue ocean. Now, let's get into it. So as you can see, before you'd have to hire a designer or whatnot, but now this tool does it all for you. Okay. So I already selected a template. Okay. And as you can see, I'm creating these pages, but I don't create them myself. I have the AI do all the work for me. Okay. So all you got to do is click on this bulk clone, download the sample, and you got to prompt it in a way that it produces the correct pattern of the. It's a little complicated. Again, I go over this with my bonuses in the video. I give very specific and clear instructions how to do it, but I'm going to just show you right quick right here. I'm going to just download this and it's going to go, and I'm going to just go here, click upload and add it to this software, and boom, I have another set of sentences. Okay. All new. Okay. As you can see, I'm going to try another one here. Click this one here and I'm going to add it. Just like that. And we have another one. Okay. And if I go here and I say, send me another one, it's going to do the same thing. Okay. I've trained the AI, and you can do it too. It's very simple if you have the prompts to do the work for you. And it's just going to just create them for me. Okay. Now, sometimes if the main site word's a little big, you just click on it like that and you bring it down just a notch. Like that. Okay, let's bring it down to, I don't know, 73. Perfect. And bring it down like that so that it fits nice and snug in here. Okay, let's do another one. Let's create another one for me. Now, again, I trained this specific thread with the special prompts that I show you within my masterclass on how to do. It's very simple. You just got to set it up once and it'll do it again and again and again. Rinse and repeat. Very simple stuff. It's going to create another one for me. Check this out. Download like that. And click this button again. Very simple. I can have a beautiful site words book done in a matter of, within 30 minutes at least. Okay. I can do it again. Check this out. And this can be done for any template you have here. Okay, you have the FE, which are front end, the basic ones, OTO1 templates, OTO1, OTO2 templates, and you'll be getting more and more of these every other month. Naran John does not play around with quality. He puts so much effort into everything he creates. Let's look at this CVS. Sorry, what is it called? CSV, sorry. CVS. I click this and another one. Okay, boom. Look, that's the same one. No, here we go. Very good stuff. Okay, and I can just ask it again and again. It's very simple. It's very straightforward. But again, I urge you, if you want to get the right market with Amazon KDP, if you want to get the book covers done like this, if you want the interiors, the special interiors, your copyright page, your title page, your table of contents done for you, if you want this exact, actually, there's a series of 3 prompts I have at the very top of this thread that will enable the chat GPT to do it for you, okay? Just like I'm doing it now. If you want that as well, along with my checklist, I also have a video showing you how to upload it. You get my done for you keywords. You also get me reviewing your book, reviewing your actual StatWord book. I will review it for you, give you tips and hints if you're lacking in any department of your listing on Amazon. Really important stuff. So I highly recommend you get this, and let me know in the comment section below if you have it already. And if you have any questions, I'm happy to help. Again, people love my masterclass bonuses, and people love the Ron John software. Together, to match made in heaven, you'll have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.